Welcome to Artistic Documentation. Marketing strategy transforms customers into participants, part of the brand's journey. For instance, campaign doesn't just sell accommodation, it sells the idea of belonging and exploration. Apple's marketing focuses not on specifications but on creativity and empowerment. Through narrative, marketing gives meaning to products and transforms buying into an emotional experience. Another dimension of marketing's power is its scalability. Whether you are a small business or a multinational corporation, marketing can be scaled to suit your goals and budget. Small businesses can use content marketing, SEO, and local SEO to attract nearby customers, while large enterprises can leverage massive integrated campaigns across continents. Digital platforms have made marketing cost-effective and measurable, allowing even modest budgets to generate significant impact through organic reach and viral content. Virality, the rapid spread of content through social sharing, is one of marketing's most potent modern phenomena, capable of turning unknown brands into household names overnight. Marketing's influence also extends to shaping consumer behavior and culture. It doesn't just respond to demand, it creates it. Iconic marketing campaigns have introduced entirely new habits and trends, from daily coffee consumption promoted by Starbucks to the concept of self-expression through fashion championed by brands like Levi's and Gucci. Marketing frames how people perceive value. It can turn needs into desires and desires into lifestyle statements. This psychological influence makes marketing an indispensable tool for driving not just sales, but entire industries forward. Furthermore, the power of marketing lies in its ability to integrate technology and creativity. Artificial intelligence, automation, and big data have revolutionized how marketing is executed. AI algorithms predict customer behavior, personalize content, optimize ad spend, and even generate creative assets. Automation tools streamline campaigns, saving time and improving efficiency, while machine learning continuously enhances targeting and performance. On the creative side, marketing harnesses design, language, and emotion to craft experiences that captivate. The fusion of art and science makes marketing uniquely powerful, analytical enough to measure and creative enough to inspire. Public relations and reputation management are also central to marketing's power. A strong PR strategy ensures that brands maintain a positive image, especially in times of crisis. Effective communication during challenges builds credibility and resilience. Consumers today value transparency, authenticity, and ethics. Marketing that reflects these values earns trust and long-term loyalty. Corporate social responsibility initiatives, when marketed, genuinely enhance brand reputation and attract SOC. Thanks for watching. Experiential marketing adds another layer to this power by turning brand interaction into immersive experiences. From virtual events and pop-up stores to live demonstrations and interactive online campaigns, experiences make brands tangible and memorable. Such strategies stimulate multiple senses, creating stronger emotional connections that drive word-of-mouth buzz and sales. Likewise, user-generated content, UGC, amplifies marketing power by transforming customers into co-marketers. When people share their authentic experiences with a brand, it serves as the most persuasive form of advertising, real, relatable, and trustworthy. Pricing and promotion strategies also demonstrate marketing's direct impact on sales. Techniques like limited-time offers, bundle deals, free trials, and loyalty discounts create urgency and reward engagement, boosting short-term sales while encouraging long-term retention. Psychological pricing, such as setting prices just below round numbers, subtly influences perceptions of affordability and value. When combined with strong storytelling and targeted advertising, these tactics create compelling buying incentives that convert interest into action. Thanks for watching. I hope you would like to join our private group and community.